Uh-oh, running. So I was gonna film a video for you here in San Francisco, but you know what? It's the last few days of summer before I go to... Chelsea, get out of my shot. You're ruining it all.
Shot?
No,
Why
you're not in the
not?
shot. Because this is my introduction.
Oh, but I'm part of it.
No?
It's my day off.
It's your day off?
Yeah.
So you're not in my video. It's not my day off. I'm doing a video. Get out.
You haven't been
Get
doing
out.
any video.
Get out.
Not your day off.
Get out.
Fine.
She's so angry. I was going to do a video for you in San Francisco, but I've only got a few more days left of summertime. We are going to the beach.
I know the time does
film
not stand still. Can see the world when it's spinning, spinning. Compensating for the moments that I spill. Wish I could fly.
But today is less of a tutorial and more of a reminder. Something that I stopped doing or forgot about doing when I just started getting good at massage.
Breaking easily now.
Chelsea, it's significantly warmer.
So nice.
It's like way warmer.
I feel relaxed.
I had no idea. I had no idea. It's actually summertime.
Up, up, I don't want it, no other way.
What kind of bar is this?
Beers, brats, and bros. So we brought 2 of those.
Didn't you say it's a biker bar?
Oh yeah, bikers.
It's a biker bar.
But
then,
you know,
like
bikes that you bike on,
push bike.
not that you.
Not like bearded Harley Davidson bikers. I thought it was a biker bar.
I mean, we're in Marin, and my phone's getting hacked. I'm trying to I fixed it. What, you're choosing yourself? Care more about the internet. It's not real.
Cheers me. This is so American. Like,
This isn't American. This is like faux German.
Every bit of me in the palm of your hand. The thought of me is bigger than you know, Stop forsaking everything.
This is not a tutorial, it's a reminder. This is a trap that we all fall into. It doesn't matter if you've been doing it professionally or as a couple, we all fall into this trap just as we start getting our mojo happening.
So I wait for my cue. So tell me straight up, up, up. I don't want it, no other way, other way.
As we get better with our massage strokes and we get more confident with our hands, we end up spending a lot of time doing deep tissue work and we forget about the rest of the body. You know what happens? Your partner gets cold, and as soon as they get cold, it doesn't matter how deep or how good your massage is. Once they're cold, it's game over. I did this when I first started out. It's like all I wanted to do was hit all those knots, those areas of tension that felt really good. But then I forgot about like my partner would get cold, or the person I'd be massaging would be cold, right? This is not what you want. As soon as they get cold, they start having a negative experience. So my little tip that's for you today is that spend time doing your deep tissue work, but don't forget about the rest of the body, right? There's a whole back there, neck, shoulders to work with. Use your long relaxation massage strokes to help warm up the body, keep your partner interested and excited, and then get back to your deep tissue. Simple, easy. That's it from me from Stinson Beach in California. Hey, don't forget, get your hands on each other. It's good for you. See you in the next episode.
I know the time does not stand still. Can see the world when it's spinning, spinning. Compensating for the moments that I spilled. Wish I could fly like an airplane, airplane. Stop forsaking everything that I've done. Won't be breaking easily now.